How to delete watch later videos on YouTube. So if you added some videos to your YouTube watch later list and now you want to delete them, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete watch later videos on your YouTube account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application on your phone. Once open the YouTube app on your phone, click on the U button at the bottom right, which is your YouTube profile picture. Now, once you click on it, you say this page. On the YouTube page, locate playlist, or click on view all on the playlist menu. Then hang on, then you see your watch later videos, and this watch later video is going to be set to private. Now, to delete them, all you just need is go ahead and click on watch later, and now you have access to all the videos you want to watch later on your YouTube. To delete or remove this video from watch later list, click on the three dots on the video you want to remove. Then click on remove from watch later. Now repeat this to remove from watch later all the videos you've added to your watch later list. However, if you click on the three dot menu at top right, then you can remove watch videos from your watch later list. This will remove all watch videos from watch later. Then go ahead and click on remove. Then if you are still having some video left that you have not watched on the watch later list, just go ahead, click on the three dots on the video and then remove from watch later list. So we want to repeat this on all other videos you've not watched on the watch later list to remove the videos from the watch later list. So that is basically how to delete watch later videos on YouTube. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.